Ayan na.
Hi guys, today my favorite pie is gonna eat papaya.
Papaya with pear.
Papaya and pear. I'm eating one row and probably want to like and subscribe. Probably really want you to like and subscribe. Probably really want you to like and subscribe.
Pori really wants you to eat your food. Ito Poli, oh, papaya. You need to cook na. Saan dali isang food? Mag-isang isda ka pa. Tatlo yan eh. Ano na yan? Titigas na mamaya. Ano kayo magdidismisan ni Kuya? O nag-video si Polly. Ay si Gio. You like the papaya, Polly? Like it? Do you like it? The papaya? Kuya will also eat the papaya. It contains more vitamin C than orange. You know? You stand here and show them that you're eating also papaya. She goes like this, Pio.
Mommy.
She's eating Pio. How's the taste? You like it? Huh? Pio, stop the video na. 3 minutes na. Shorts na lang muna.
Hi, Kuya P.
Naka-record siya.
What's our intro? Ako din ako.
Mahaba na ulit yung buhok ni Pio, Kuya.
Kaya
Tan, 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 tan. Oh. Here.
ina-start na ba yung video?
Naka-ano pa? 1 minute. 5 minutes okay na, Pio? Ha? Last 1 minute.
1 minute.
Painis talaga yung nagkakapeglat ako sa dibdib.
Pag na-upload yung Twitter sa YouTube, maririnig mo.
Nagsalita ako.
Hindi, kilala naman na sa YouTube ni Pio dahil lagi siya pinapakita. Because Tito is the salarin. Right, Pio?
Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to watch and subscribe.